That panel that we're talking about, it consists of top health scientists from all around the Northwest, and they're going to join California. They announced this panel last week. Governor Newsom did that. It's going to consist of some of the top health experts, and they're going to be making sure that these vaccines are safe and effective. And this added layer of review is designed to give the public more confidence in the vaccine process. Governor Inslee made that announcement today at a press conference and added that the panel will not slow down the process because it will work closely with the FDA as vaccine information is released. Several vaccines are currently in the final stages of testing, and they're expected to be released within a few months.
We anticipate that their work could be done in days after the FDA comes up with a conclusion. And the reason is the group will be looking at the data as it's coming in. So they'll be doing their review before the FDA announces a decision. And we think it would just be a matter of days it would need. So no significant delay whatsoever.
Now, Inslee says there's plenty that we can do right now to save lives before a vaccine is released. He says masking and social distancing efforts that we've all been doing are working, as 45 other states right now have higher infection rates than Washington and Oregon. Even so, those infection rates in Portland and Southwest Washington specifically have been surging in recent weeks. We've been talking about that. Washington's chief science officer is now asking people to not only mask up in public, but at home when you're in social gatherings, which basically means when you have visitors from outside your home come in. Now, back to the vaccines, more than one vaccine is expected, and the state is already preparing on just how to distribute these vaccines when they are approved by this panel that we're talking about. They're talking to health clinics all around the state of Washington, and there's even the possibility that there'll be some drive-through places that you can go and get vaccinated at those places as well. Back to you.